This is your main dashboard here. So we've got a menu across the top here, and we've got a menu down the left hand side here. Once you've created jobs, you'll be able to select the job you want to work on from the left hand menu, and then anything in this top menu that's job specific will be for the job you selected here. So if you've got a job selected here and you click files, you'll only see files for that selected job. If you go into financials and you go to estimates and tenders or budgets or invoices, you'll only see what's for that selected job. Unless you select all jobs, then certain ones will have the ability for all jobs. On the top right hand corner over here, we've got manage users. So this is where you put your internal users or your staff, your subs and suppliers, and your clients' details in there. Down the bottom right hand corner here, we've got the AI chatbot that understands most of the app. So if you've got any questions, you can ask it. If it doesn't understand what you're trying to get, or we don't have it, it will send me saying, I can have a look into that. This is your main dashboard, so when you've got all jobs selected, this is what you'll see here. So this will sort of show you stuff from your sales pipeline. As you can see here, we've got a lead in from when we first set up the first lead, so that's showing one lead in December. And this will just sort of over time give you trends and sort of show you what's going on in your business. We click on the right top corner here, we've got subscription and billing, and then we've also got company settings. So company settings is one that you'll want to go into. Just work your way through each of these. I'll do a video on these as well, but probably a good place to start and just have a good look at everything and adjust things for yourself, especially things like your company logo, because that'll show up on your quotes and all that sort of stuff as well.